for us to be able to reduce the pending bills, we need to form a committee. Similar challenges have been faced even with county governments, whereby there is need for audit of these legal fees on the basis of which ones are verifiable. Number two, budgeting is also crucial, because you cannot be sourcing for services on the basis of funds that you don't even have.
We enhance increasing more police stations so that we can reach the people in helping the right people to vote.
I urge this panel just to give this country a David moment. I know the task ahead is not small, but we can tackle this issue of free and fair elections. It has always been a big issue, very protracted elections, but I'm sure as a panel, this distinguished panel, you can give this country a David and Goliath moment. That is food for thought for the panel.